One who dies without a will, intestate, for someone through fear to do or not to do something, intimidate. The examination or observation of one's own mental and emotional processes. The examination or observation of one's own mental and emotional processes. Introspection. A quiet person who is more interested in his own thoughts and feelings than in spending time with other people. Introvert. A person who enters without any invitation. Intruder. Intruder. Overflow or fill an area with excess water, as in a food. Inundate. A person weak and disabled by illness. Invalid. A detailed list of things in a place inventory. An animal lacking a backbone. Invertebrates. An official examination of the facts about a situation, crime. Etc. Investigation. A person who supervises during an examination. Invigilator. Fresh and revive. Invigorate. That which cannot be conquered. Invincible. Call upon God or any other power, like law, etc., for help or protection. Invocation. Detailed list of goods dispatched with quantity and price to the purchaser. Invoice. Done without conscious control. Unintentional. Involuntary. One that cannot be harmed. Bounded. Invulnerable. Easily provoked. Irascible. A statement which cannot be contradicted. Irrefutable. Showing a lack of respect for people or things that are generally taken seriously. Irreverent. Which cannot be called back. Irrevocable. To supply land with water by artificial means. Irrigate. Sinchana. A piece of land entirely surrounded by water. Island. A small island. Islet. Far away from other places. Isolated. A narrow stretch of land. Connecting two large bodies of land. Isthmus. Traveling from place to place. Especially to find work. Itinerant. Brahmanakari.